Hello boys and girls, I am so excited for this week for math. We are going to be looking at division. Now division can be a scary word, right? But we've already kind of been doing division so far this year. Do you remember a couple weeks ago when we partitioned things, or we cut things a bigger shape into smaller pieces that were equal? We partitioned. That was dividing. We were dividing those shapes into smaller pieces. So today I'm going to teach you another strategy that we can use for division that makes it so much easier to think about. Before I do that though, I want to show you, when you're looking at a division problem, there are three different ways that you can write it. The first way is this way right here. It's the most common, where you have the two dots and the line in between. So for example, if we have the division problem 10 divided by 2, this is what it would look like. 10 divided by 2. Pretty simple. Another way that you could write a division problem is by using this weird kind of bar partial box thing. What you would do if you would use this problem is you're going to take that bigger number, let's use 10 divided by 2 again. So you're going to take the bigger number and you will divide it by 2. Okay? Or the third way kind of looks like a fraction. You put the bigger number on top, 10 divided by 2. Okay? Now, I'm not going to teach you how to actually figure it out when it looks like this. We'll get there. For right now, what I want to do is I want to look at division kind of like this. Let me show you what I mean. I have this poster, and as you can tell, I have an array. Now my array is 12 square units. That's the area. I have 12 squares in my array. And so I have this division problem, 12 divided by 3. So one way you can look at this problem is saying I have 12 things and I want to share them or divide them into 3 equal groups. So we're still splitting into equal groups, okay? But we're going to share them. So think about it in terms of, let's say I have 12 cookies and I want to share them with 3 of my friends. Let me show you how you would do that, okay? So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to create my 3 equal groups. So I have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. Well, obviously, I still have a lot more cookies to share, so I'm going to add 1 more to each group. So I want to make sure that they stay equal. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to do that again. 1, 2. Oh, that one's sticking real good. And now it looks like I can do that 1 more time. 1, 2. Man, I used really strong tape. So now, boys and girls, what I've done is I've split my 12 cookies, or my 12 squares, and I've shared them into 3 equal groups. So now my answer would be how many is in each group. So let's count. So I have 1, 2, 3, and I dropped 1, 4. So boys and girls, 12 divided by 3 is 4, because I had 12 cookies, I shared them with 3 of my friends, I made 3 groups, and I have 4 in each group. So this week, as you're doing division, I really want you to think about sharing, putting things into equal groups and sharing them with friends or family.